Okay, so at this point, you know that you can record video in Zoom and that you can also do screen recordings with Zoom and that you could use the stop start features to jump between your screen recordings and your video recordings and do different things. But did you know you could record beyond your computer screen in Zoom? What do I mean by that? Well, many of us have a smartphone, and you can download and install the Zoom app on your smartphone, and then all of the features you have on your computer to record with, you'll also have on your smartphone. Let's take a look at that.
What you're looking at now is my Zoom app on my phone. And I'm actually just holding my phone and talking right into my phone. Now, in the video, I have the ability to pause and stop the recordings. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go ahead and pause it. I'm going to move somewhere else. What I've done is I've paused it and then I restarted it. I'm showing you now my bumper crop of lettuce that I've been growing since we've been home from COVID. But I don't have to stop there. I can flip my camera around. Hello, and take you anywhere my phone can go. And so if I want to do different types of experiments or math products or have, I don't know, my wife hold my phone while I record on a whiteboard or something like that, I can do that to make training in different ways with Zoom.
One final note related to recording with your smartphone. When you're using your smartphone, make sure you hold your phone properly while recording. In other words, don't hold your phone like this. Hold your phone like this. This is the proper orientation for recording. As a matter of fact, these buttons on top that are usually your volume buttons are used to snap pictures or turn the video recording on and turn the video recording off. And this will record in what's known as this landscape full high def. Whereas if you record like this, you'll get a narrow band down the center of your video and you won't be able to see things very well. So make sure while you're recording to hold your phone properly.